afternoon. Welcome to Bright TV. This is going to be our unboxing of Google ChromeCast, the easiest way to enjoy online video and music on your TV. Actually, it is because I have used this at my parents' place and it's been pretty nice. Okay, so let's see. Might add a knife that's a little bit easier. Work may work too. Alright, there we go. Okay. Unnecessarily difficult to open. Okay, so this is the box, white, blue, fairly simple but clean looking. And that is the ChromeCast. Okay, so I've already taken the plastic wrap off of this, which is the HDMI extender. It's used to improve fit and Wi-Fi connection. So it looks like you're able to just plug the Chrome into here, and then you plug this HDMI into the back of your TV. Or you can, I've also unraveled this, you can take this cable and plug it into the adapter, plug that into the wall and connect it through your, connect it through to your Chrome here, stick that in the back of your TV, and then as I mentioned before, you can stick this USB straight into the back of your TV if you'd like to do that instead. And that's the unboxing of the Google ChromeCast. You can get more information in their product information pamphlet. Other than that, that's it for today. So thank you very much for joining us on Bright TV, and see you next time.